Okay guys, in this video I'll share to you about how to setting the shortcut in SketchUp. First of all, I will share to you about how to setting it. We can select the window preference, and we can select the shortcut here. This is the shortcut menu, and for example we can setting the shortcut about the line that we have frequently used the line. Anyway, we can type line in here in this filter column here. We can type line in our keyboard. Okay, so it would be appear some option about the line. Then we can draw the line. Okay, in here I have already assigned the line shortcut with L and D alphabet. But you have to add shortcut first in here. You can assign with L, and then you can click plus, and it will be assigned in this column, and then you can click OK. And for the example, I will assign the another shortcut option of this line. I will assign with using maybe Shift T. Okay, so I could draw the line with using the Shift plus T. You can just type on your keyboard Shift T and click this plus menu, click this plus icon in here. Okay, and it will be automatically Shift plus T or D or L, and there is a 3 option of the shortcut to draw the lines or to use the line tools here. And then I will click OK. And now for example, I will draw the any size of the rectangle box here. Okay, and I will draw the line with using D. Okay, it will be appear the tools in here, and I will draw this one, and I will draw again with using L, and it get the line tools also, and also Shift T, and it get the line tools also. Okay, and you can try to setting your shortcut option with window preference again. Okay, you can setting the shortcut, and you can choose the menu here, or you can type the menu. For example, you have to you have to add the shortcut of freehand. Okay, this is about the freehand, and you can add the shortcut with using, for example, with using Shift T, and it will appear notification that Shift T are already used by line. Now, this is an option for you. You can continue to change this shortcut, or you will make the another way to create the shortcut of freehand tools here. Because of my shortcut is already installed on the lines tool with a D or L, so I will change the Shift T into the freehand tools here, and I will click yes here, and I will click OK here, and I will try again to make the Shift T. So this is about the freehand. Okay, so it become a freehand, or we can click manually, it become a freehand also. Okay, it's just for example anyway. And okay, we can delete it. Okay, and I will continue to make the another shortcut option. We can click window, we can click preference, then we can click the another tools. Anyway, I will share to you about what kind of the shortcut that frequently used for 3D modeling tools to make our work faster. Okay, I will share to you. I will type in this text. Okay, so the shortcut, the frequently used shortcut of 3D modeling that we frequently use it is about the first is line is always, we frequently use the line tool in here. Okay, we always use the line tool. Okay, and I will change the color of this one to make it more highlighted. Okay, we always use line anyway. We always use the line, and again I will share to you about how many kinds of the shortcut. Then we often use the rectangle. Okay, we often use the rectangle in here. So you have to setting the shortcut rectangle here. You have to setting the rectangle shortcut to make our work faster. Okay, and after that I will share to you again about another shortcut is about the rotate rectangle. Okay, about the rotate rectangle, because the rotate rectangle for me is very important. For me is very important, these tools, because this tool can make some object faster. After this one, rectangle, rotate rectangle, and this one, it's very important, is about the push or pull tool in SketchUp. Okay, I mean, it was very frequently used. Okay, line, rectangle, rotate rectangle, push or pull, and then about the erase. We have already get the erase tool with using E alphabet in our keyboard. Anyway, then we can use the another shortcut like move using M alphabet in our keyboard. Okay, of course we can use move, and then don't forget to setting the edit and paste in place. I've already setting the paste in place here with a shift R. Okay, don't forget to set the paste in place tool to be a shortcut. Okay, 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 I will show you about what shortcut I use to facilitate the drawing progress when I drawing in every single drawing here. Okay, I will show you first. So this is about the shortcut. Okay, this is my shortcut, and paste in place, and I always use the line, rectangle, rotate, paste in place, and for the erase or delete I using shift E. Okay, delete, for the delete I use shift E. Okay, and then for the another option I use the height rest of model. Okay, I use the height rest of model. It's for me, it's very important to modeling or to modify the 3D model of the complex 3D modeling. I mean, height rest of model. And okay, I will show you about the one by one. I will show you about the one by one shortcut in here to make it more clear enough, so you can follow my shortcut to make your work faster, like me. Okay, move, shift, Okay, I just setting this shortcut first. I just setting this paragraph first to make it clear enough. Okay, for the line, I using the shortcut L. I using the L. Oh, maybe I just delete this one. I just did want to make it clear enough. Okay, and then for the rectangle, I using the R. I using the R. Okay, so then for the rotate rectangle, I rarely using this rotate rectangle, but I will show you about how to make a rotate rectangle. Okay, this is a rotate rectangle. I will using the shift X maybe. Okay, and okay, so I will use this shift X. This is a rotate rectangle. Okay, this is the rotate rectangle for the shift X. Okay, then for the push pull, I using V. I using V for the push pull because it practice enough for me. And then for the move, I using M as always. Okay, and paste in place. I using shift R. Shift R. I using shift R. And for the delete, I using shift E. Shift E, sorry, shift E. And for the height rest of model, I using comma. So when I modify this box, okay, I will disappear the surrounding object or appear the surrounding object to facilitate me to make to work detail and faster. For example, when I modeling this one, I will disappear the surrounding object or appear the surrounding object with using height rest of model. Okay, this is comma. This is comma. Okay, this is my tool to activate the height rest of model. Okay, so this is my shortcut. You can screenshot this shortcut way from me. You can use line, rectangle, rotate rectangle, push pull, or if you wanna make group, if you wanna make the another group, you can using preference. You can type make group. Okay, I have no setting the make group tools, but we can setting the make group tools with using shift V, for example, or key. Oh, it's currently used edit make component. No. We can use shift key. Okay, we can use shift key to make it group. Okay, and this is make group. Okay. We can use Shift G. We can use Shift G to make group. Okay, and then for the component, okay, for the making component, I using the G. Okay, this is my the main shortcut to work 3D modeling faster. So you can try to make this one. You can apply the shortcut to your SketchUp or to your device. And if you have a question, you can type on the column below. And thanks for watching. Just wait for my next tutorial in this video. Thank you.